here I've got 3 tables. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 3 tables are there, and we all know that yes, in India we have Zomato. Just the name has been changed from Zomato to Zomato. Okay, that's it. And some around 1 week or 6 days data has been collected. You can see around, yeah, just 6 days data has been collected, and how what all the food items been ordered, from which particular hotel name it's been ordered, what's the quantity, price, everything is being provided over here. Okay, that's for your orders table. Coming over to the next one, which is your customers table. We have got 4 customers, their customer ID and the customer name given to us. Also the delivery partner also. Like the delivery guys from Zomato will be there, na? So those only given over here. Okay. And we are, yes, going as for instructions. If you see few measures we are going to calculate. It's been like total order value, average, max, min, order count, and large order value. Okay. Let's go ahead and do it. But then I have already got connected to this particular one. If you see my this, it will be already connected. That's the reason I'm seeing all of this. Okay, maybe my source has changed. The data set is. See, even if your folder path, the file paths change, means even at that time we are going to get this source, data source not found error. So why is that the case? Let me add it to all of them. 1 minute. Okay. These two, if you see your customer ID and customer name, then your delivery partner ID. Okay. I guess I should convert. Is it visible to you or it's too small? Now visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just convert it to ABC. Likewise for customer ID also done. To yes. Order ID to text ABC. Customer ID to ABC. Okay, you have got your food item, quantity, price. This price is unit price. Okay. So in the same table only, both your quantity and unit price is provided. We don't have to worry about using related function to bring in the price from another table. No need. So if you just see what, yeah, 250 into 2 is 500. So they have really multiplied this. Okay, no other is been there. Yeah, we don't see it. But then it is quantity into price is your billing amount. Okay. I could change this to fixed decimal number. Again, this also to fixed decimal number. Okay. And coming over here, delivery status is there. We have got three delivery status, very obvious. In progress, delivered and cancelled. And over here, coming to payment method, you have three types, your COD, UPI, and card. Sorry. Mm. Yeah, I mean card, COD, and UPI. Cash on delivery, UPI, and the card over here. And coming over here, one more has been added, which is your budget. Let's see what it is. I'll go to it. Budget, I guess, yeah, based on bill amount, it will be put over there. Yes, I can go ahead and change it to ABC. Okay, source all fine. Navigation, it has gone to the table orders table. Okay, some change type has been done, which we also did all of those things. Okay, then sorted the date column in descending, just to see, even for the order ID, if you also feel just 20 orders are there. You can see at the bottom 20 rows are there. Okay, I guess this should be done. Oh no, we have done it one at time. Okay, I have done the change type later. Okay, what about the null over here? Okay, over here, if you see what is null as in is your hotel name, there are actually, I mean, there are three records which have got proper hotel name. Two of the records are having null value. So instead of filtering it out, we cannot go ahead and filter it out. Reason being, there's a proper, I mean, two orders have been raised from for this particular hotel name, and food has been ordered and it's even delivered to the customer. So you cannot go ahead and filter out the null values. So it's better that I change these null. I don't have the name, but then a null can be changed to your missing. I can do that. That's what I would have done also. Yeah, replaced null value with missing or not available. Okay. I've just told us instead of telling it as missing, just telling them that's not available. Yeah, see, not available. Okay, that's your next one. What about in here? Okay, I've added a custom column over here which says in budget or not. Meaning to say, if your price per unit is less than 200, I'll say it is in budget. Otherwise, we'll say it's not in budget. 1 minute. What's my price? Let me go there. Yeah, see here. Less than 200 is your criteria, na? So just one of it, 159 only will be very much satisfying. The rest all will be in your yes option only. Yes, price is less than, then yes or no. Okay, so if I just come over here, 1 minute. What is that yes over here? That 159 only will be yes. Rest all will be your no only. Okay, they are pretty much not in budget. Okay, I'll clear off this also. Then coming over to something called your large order value. That also one a conditional column I'm going to, we have just added off saying what's your large order value. Now large order value over here, wait. Okay, now it is not the unit price, but my bill amount. That is a quantity and price. We get the bill amount, right? So if bill amount is greater than equal to, you can make up greater than equal to 500. Then I'll say, okay, that particular bill amount only I'm going to retain. If it is less than that, I am just going to replace it with 0. Okay, and this we are going to name it as large order value. So whenever your bill amount is greater than equal to 500, all those rows will be like whatever the bill amount is there, that will be retained. And for the others, when it is not, I mean, it's less than 500, all those values will be your zeros. Because there's one of the measure over there which says you have to find out what's the large order value. Okay, so 1 second. If I go back here, just for your sake only, I'm doing okay this reordering so that people can make out. See, if it's greater than equal to 500, I maintain the same thing. I coin it as your basically those come under your large order value. Ones which are less than 500, na, those are all I'm putting them as zeros. Okay, just like we have our LBS count, we had seen some in our previous area, na, like if the boxes sent for any particular shipment, if it is less than 50, I'll call it as I mean, LBS, like low box shipment. So same way, large order value. When your order value or the bill amount is greater than equal to 500, I'm going to retain them. The rest of it as zero. Okay, just a minute. Give me a minute. Yeah. So that was your large order value, and after that, just change it to ABC 1, 2, 3. But then I will suggest that let's change it to your here also 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll do one thing. Anyway, I'll remove some orders. Okay, what is it that I've removed? I've removed the large order value only. Oh, haha. Yes, now I remember. The large order value. Initially, I added to the your Power BI Power Query editor area, but then later I just decided that we'll add it as a measure at my Power BI area. So better. Okay, good. Only removed it. Okay. What about replaced value? Replaced value as in we are doing some transformation for the food item over here. If I come over to the food item, this is a replaced value. Now I'll go to the previous one. I can make out here your pepperoni pizza is appearing twice because one is with 2Z and another is with 3Zs. So just have to convert this 3Z to 2Z. So we are good to go on that. That's your replaced value you can make out here. And last, we have added few changes, right? Your data type changes and all, this dollars and all, I have changed it over here. Okay, fine. All looks good to me. This also no repeating, all unique. Over here also all unique. What about here? It seems as no repetitions. But then let me just have a look. Your only order date is very much repeating, quite obvious. The same day, more than one orders have been raised. What if I come to view and go for column profiling? Not profiling. Yeah, 2020. So your order ID is unique. If I want to find out the number of orders means I can use your count function very easily. I need not, I have an identifier over here, so we don't have to use your count rows. You can use your count function itself to count the number of orders that have been raised during this 6 days. Okay? Do you get why we can use your count on order ID? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just tell me over here, I am going to load it to our data modeling area. We are going to see what has been done over there. But then just tell me which one of these three is my fact table and which one is a dimension table.
Orders is fact table.
Can you be a bit louder, sir?
Orders is fact table and customer and delivery partner are
Customers and delivery partner are
um,
Dimension.
dimension. Okay, good.
Yeah.